Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're looking at the best Revolution Retinol Serum, the Revolution Skincare 0.5% Retinol Serum with rosehip seed oil. This serum is a game-changer in your skincare routine, especially for those looking to improve their skin tone and texture. The Revolution Skincare Retinol Serum is packed with powerful ingredients, including a 0.5% concentration of retinol, which is known for encouraging the natural turnover of skin cells. This helps reveal smoother, fresher skin with a more even complexion. But that's not all. This serum also features rosehip seed oil, a nourishing ingredient that deeply hydrates and conditions your skin. It works wonders for maintaining a healthy and radiant glow. For those with sensitive skin, this serum is a great choice. It's gentle enough to incorporate into your routine without causing irritation, thanks to the soothing properties of rosehip oil. And yes, this serum is completely vegan and cruelty-free, so you can use it with peace of mind knowing it aligns with your ethical choices. The best part? It's so easy to use. Simply apply a few drops of the serum to your face in the evening, right after cleansing, as the final step in your skincare routine. But remember, retinol can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun, so always make sure to apply sunscreen during the day. In conclusion, the Revolution Skincare 0.5% Retinol Serum with rosehip seed oil is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine. Whether you're aiming for a more even skin tone, smoother texture, or just overall healthier skin, this serum has got you covered. Don't miss out on this skincare gem. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product critiques.